Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today, this morning, I went and picked up my pair of UNC Toe Jordan 1s, and I kind of want to discuss how I'm feeling about these, but also, these have tanked down in price. It's a little bit surprising how far they have gone, but I kind of want to discuss the reason behind that, why they're a lot lower, and what's going to be happening with the sneaker in terms of resale, but also, if you just want a personal for this pair, what you'll probably be paying around release day, where it will be floating. So if y'all want more content like this, feel free to check my Instagrams, any of that down below, and of course, my friend and I's group. If y'all want to become a better reseller today, start learning how to cop more pairs, become more consistent with your flips to profit more from it, then check us out below, get on that wait list, you'll get a response within 24 hours, and don't forget the under market deals we've been doing recently, UNC dunks, lobster SBs, tons of things like that. We even have done some UNC toes, so we got a lot more on the way. So don't miss out, get connected, and become a better reseller. So hope to see y'all there and learn the basics with us. And yeah, if you've been here, you already know about them. So let's just kind of continue. I just run that with my friends. So yeah, feel free to check it and start learning about, reselling, what you can do right now. So I hope to see y'all there, and subscribe and like if y'all want more content like this. It's trying to 200, and let's get into this review right here. So as you guys can see, this was almost my personal size. We do have a size 11 UNC Toe Jordan 1, and I do have a 10.5 on the way as well. But one thing to mention about this pair right here is that, like after retail, and if you're in a state, where you're gonna get taxed for these, you're paying around like $193, $195 for this pair right here. And right now on StockX, the current prices are sitting between $220 to $230, with the smaller sizes like sizes 7 and 8 going for much less. So the bigger sizes are going to be your best bet for these if, again, you're going to be looking at getting the shoe to flip. Now, if you look at this shoe right now, the only platform that you can really flip it on would be GOAT. Now, I'd recommend places like OfferUp, your local marketplaces, anything like that. These might do decent with consignment, but again, there's going to be a lot of pairs out there rumored for 500,000 to 600,000 of these. So it's not going to be limited per se. These will be hitting outlets. You'll be able to use, 15% off in store, lots of discounts. We actually have monitors in our group, so you can check what's at your, store, see what's available. So like, you could see when these would land, and then, be able to use 15% off. Let's just get into kind of reviewing this one, since I know y'all kind of want to see what this one looks like. So again, we got this very nice UNC colorway right back here by the heel, and kind of up here by the tongue as well. You can see we got that black and blue right there. Here, I'm going to try and show you all that, but there you go. Very simple, nothing too crazy. And again, the typical Nike leather that is used in a lot of Jordan 1s is also used on this sneaker. No suede material or anything, but overall, you guys can see I got the toe box here pretty bent in. It almost looks like they've been not like they've been worn, but yeah, you can tell it's like kind of a nice leather material with these ones. Very, very I don't know how to put it. It's not like super sturdy almost, but it looks like it would be kind of comfortable to wear these. And overall, it's a nice colorway, but I did kind of like it with a divot. It's a little bit weird, but still would be able to sell it as normal. And obviously, I'll be doing that since this is not my size. I actually dropped this pair to a member, since again, that's one of the main things we focus on. But also that nice light UNC colorway that is very similar to kind of like the UNC Dunk sole. I mean, they're both the UNC type colorways, so it makes sense you're going to get something very similar. But I like how this is, because again, it matches directly with the toe box, and also back here by the heel and up here by the tongue, and there, right there as well. Y'all can see we got the typical Air Jordan logo as well. Nothing out of the ordinary. That's on pretty much all ones. And yeah, that's what we really got going on for the UNC toes. I mean, there isn't much more I can say. I mean, I showed y'all the box, the lid for it, all those details, and that's pretty much what we got with the sneakers. So we got that kind of light UNC colorway, we got white, and we got black in the sneaker as well. So that's pretty much it. We got 3 colors, but it makes a very nice shoe. Honestly, I could see these making progress over time slowly. As of right now, I think these are probably going to be one that floats around retail, but over time, as we see less and less of them out there, sure, they will creep up in price. But that's kind of how it is with almost any shoe. Like, yeah, as there's less of them out there, the price goes up. That's how it is, with pretty much anything. Less of them exist, it's going to be, harder to get them. So, I mean, with these right now, again, there's more on the way. Still tons of stock that Nike's going to release very soon. So, my personal prediction is with these tanking in price as much as they have, I see these maybe even going a little bit lower. That's just one thing I want to mention to you guys, is I think these might be going lower. So, I know they are already low. Like, if you're selling them to StockX, you are not making anything. So best bet is going to be, again, waiting for some pairs, right, that people are returning to hit your outlets, and then use, copping them with a discount. That would probably be, what I'd be doing with these. But overall, it's nothing too crazy. I mean, it's a nice pair. Here is the insole as well. I want to show you all that detail, same as the tongue tag. Got that black and blue. Y'all cannot really see that. I don't know. I was trying to show that, but I was like, that isn't really working there. But overall, show you all the other pair as well. So y'all can see we got this very, very nice set. Overall, I mean, a couple years ago, this would be a very, very expensive pair, something that'd be hard to get your hands on. So that's why, you know, I'm like, hey, you give these time, yeah, they'll go up in price, because overall people are going to rock with the UNC colorway. I mean, this is, I wouldn't say it's slept on. I'd say it has, you know, a lot of hype. Like this, it was doing well, you know, the day after the shock drop. Like the prices were holding pretty good. It's just now, once pairs started landing, I don't know who tanked the price, but somebody needed that sale, and you know, that's what happened. But I mean, this colorway hits well in hand. That's all I'll say. It's like, you know, I honestly really rock with these. Like, you know, if I was looking for a personal pair right now, this would probably, this might be it, you know what I mean? Just because it's definitely one of the nicer Jordan 1s we have coming out this summer. And overall, I mean, the prices aren't going to reflect that. Ones are just dead right now. There's a lot of them out there, so it's not, you know, a shoe to flip. So for anybody interested in the, you know, resale aspect of the shoe, my best you know, recommendation for you guys is trying to flip this one locally ASAP, or you know, someplace like GOAT, something like that, where, you know, you're not losing on it at least. But you know, we still have a lot of pairs on the way from Nike, so it's not going to be rising in price anytime soon. If anything, it'll be dropping in price, or just kind of staying steady where it's at right now. So that's kind of my thoughts and opinion on the UNC Toe Jordan 1. Again, not really a major hold or anything, just a decent play. It's all right. But yeah, let me know your thoughts on these Jordan 1s right here, guys. Again, I'm rocking with this colorway. I think it's very easy to wear, and kind of a nice one for the summer there. It's a little bit of a better camera angle view right there, but you guys can see what we got going on. I mean, if you are needing a personal pair, these are, I mean, this is clean. You know, if you rock with the UNC colorway, then yeah, this is something I would definitely be going with. But prices are down. Not too surprised by it. You know, people are just trying to quick sell the pair because, you know, ones are not in. And also the reason the market got tanked is probably because, you know, a botter or you know, a few botters hit a ton of pairs on the market, right? Like 50 pairs, 60 pairs, maybe even 100 pairs, or even people that had early pairs, you know, or even some store locations that, you know, had shipments land early. You know, they're trying to just sell the pairs, you know, out the back door, or, you know, trying to clear the stock that they hit. There's lots of things that are going on, so hopefully that all makes sense. But if you guys want more content just like this little review we got going on here, be sure you guys subscribe and like down below. Let's try to tune our likes, and do not forget, if you guys want to become better resellers, start hitting more of your favorite pairs, paying less for your sneakers, learning how to source locally, you know, at your Nike outlets, you know, online lubes like free food codes, homework help. We have that all in HYPELABS, so feel free to check that out down below and get in that wait list. And don't forget the undermarket deals we do every day as well. I mean, that's something we also do just to make it a little bit easier for you guys with reselling, but we can also help you improve on your own with so many other things, just showing you how to become more consistent in some other areas of resale that are slept on right now. So just like brick flips, we can really teach you about that. So that's it. I'm Tristan. Thank you guys, and hopefully I will catch you all in the next video very soon. Just a short little UNC Toe Jordan 1 review. Overall, very nice sneaker, but just with how ones are right now, it's not something that's super in demand. So that's it. I'll catch you all in the next one soon. Peace.